I'm Mitch with Summit Phone Repair, and if you're scheduled to meet me here at BridgeSpace, this video will show you exactly what to expect. We're located on Market Street in downtown Lee's Summit. Locals know it as the old post office building. If you've chosen this location, you'll be bringing your device to me for repair instead of me coming to your home. When you arrive, just come through the main front doors and check in using this iPad kiosk. That check-in will notify me that you've arrived. Once I get the alert, I'll come meet you out here and walk you back to our private repair space. It's a quick and easy process, and you don't need to go looking around for me. Once we're in the repair space, we'll chat briefly about what's going on with your device so I can confirm the issue. Then I'll get to work. Most repairs take about an hour, and just like all of our on-site services, I'll keep you updated and walk you through everything. Before you arrive, just a few reminders. Please remove any cases, screen protectors, and accessories from your device. Make sure the battery is below 25%, and if possible, complete a full backup of your device, just in case. If your phone is locked, either remove the passcode or be prepared to enter it so I can test everything before and after the repair. And one last thing, our severe weather policy still applies. If the National Weather Service issues warnings for things like snow, ice, high winds, or tornadoes, we may need to reschedule for everyone's safety. But don't worry, I'll always reach out ahead if anything changes. Thanks again for booking your repair with Summit Phone Repair. I'll see you soon right here at BridgeSpace.